If you make this shot,
No way.
you win money.
But it's never you, right? You see somewhere on Twitter this guy who invested only $500 in cryptocurrencies and soon became a millionaire. He's so good at it that his whole family quit that boring 9-to-5 job and joined him. Now they're all millionaires. How the hell did he do that? He will tell you if you join his Patreon and pay the membership fee. Oh, wait. Oh, sorry. I'm allergic to this. Now I will show you why you are not the one who multiplies your money 100 or 1,000 times. But you are usually the one who stays last to hold a bag of worthless tokens. Oh, I will also show you what you need to do to be the winner. You need to know 3 critical things. First, and first. The third first is the one that will allow you to make money, but if you don't understand the first and the second first, the third first won't make sense to you. Financial engineering. You have to know how these tokens are created. No. Don't you dare skip this. Hello? Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, some dude pays a few $100s and creates a token on the Binance Smart Chain or on the Ethereum blockchain. A piece of cake. He can mint 1,000 tokens or a gazillion. How many he will mint just depends on the goblin in his head. Then he set aside a percentage of the total number of tokens for himself, like Satoshi Nakamoto. Then he sends them in a wallet that he marks as his. He set aside an additional percentage for token development. He puts that in a wallet that he marks as dev. After that, he creates dozens of addresses to which he sends a multitude of tokens. All those addresses are his. Then he made addresses for his family, including the cat, to which he sent a ton of tokens. This money is laundered either through pre-sale or through the liquidity pool. You know, he fakes that some people bought tokens. Now we came to the second first thing. Third-class fake people. The next thing he needs to do is somehow let you know that everything is ready to take your money. He informs you with the help of third-class fake people, also known as cheap bots, whose farms are mostly inhabited somewhere in Asia. Bots are easy to spot. They write the same comments with a lot of rockets. The comments usually talk about how that token is a phenomenal project, with an excellent tokenomics, with top-notch developers, and the best community. After seeing so many rockets glued next to the name of the token that was just born, you can't shake the impression that luck has finally looked at you. You are that early adopter finally, right? You are in a hurry to buy without thinking that you are actually buying the token at a much higher price than it would cost on the free market. Yes, the greedy goblin decides on the price and how many tokens he will sell at that price. In fact, the time when you are allowed to buy that token is the time when the cat dumps its bag on you. After you, some more investors come and the cat dumps on them. At some point, there are no more new buyers and the price falls. For all that time, that money, his public wallet, which is under the spotlight, he did not touch. All the tokens he put in that wallet are still there. People think that he is an honest creator. You know, it's crypto, prices go up and down, so everything's cool. At this point, the creator and his cat are counting on something called in psychology the Lucifer effect. The Lucifer effect is when an event causes a person to start doing bad things, even though they would not do otherwise. This is manifested by the fact that investors who have lost money, that is, those who still hold the token, are actively looking for new victims on social networks. They convince them that the token is phenomenal and that they should buy it. Of course, they do this with the goal of dumping their bags on new buyers. This effect allows the token to continue to live because deceived investors are constantly talking about it, giving it free advertising, which can sometimes lead to new buyers coming. When the creator and the cat have a new chance for even higher earnings. This is a rare scenario because mostly tokens are dead after the initial pump. From this, you can already conclude that if you are not that lucky cat, you cannot enter so early to 100x your money. No, you can't. So we move on to the first thing, becoming rich. The first thing you won't do is wait for the fake people to tell you to buy a token. Instead, you will regularly follow the calendar of events in cryptocurrencies. You can use coinmarketcall.com or some other. There you will find notifications about the launch of new tokens. When you find a token that you might want to buy, then you will go to social networks and see how much buzz there is from the fake people. If they buzz a lot, there is a chance that the token will have an initial pump. If you decide to buy, don't wait to become a millionaire, but lock up your earnings. Later, when the price drops to the bottom, you can buy again if you see that the creators are working on improving the token. Then you can hold and hope that in a few years the price will increase a lot. In the meantime, every time you buy a new token, take your profit and thus accumulate money to wealth. As for those who sell you wisdom on Patreon, seriously, go to MrBeast and subscribe. You are more likely to make money there. My name is Vee. Subscribe.